He joined as an intern and now he's a full-time employee over there.
This is the robot that the team as the students have made. If you guys are looking to
More
study
than what
design,
you
then you
obs-
need to be really on top of what's AI doing in this space. But it is very good to see that the university is investing more into
because
improving the infrastructure. So all the resources that are available in Australia are also
yes, available here. Like overall, coming to Curtin University because our ranking is better than other universities here in Dubai.
When you're outside, it doesn't feel like that the university is that big.
Yeah.
But when you come inside, then you realize that how big the school is. Are Curtin University students eligible for Golden Visa?
This is our design space, basically, graphic design. So we have started the course graphic design recently.
Right.
So they are still like building the space now. So they have built the 1/4 of it.
So again, this is where the entire facility for the design
Yes,
students
design
will be.
students. Yeah.
I think today's design is changing that the technology, the software that students are using.
Yeah. So this is again the design lab. So basically, so there they'll
Wow,
be
that's a huge lab.
and then like there they'll be expanding the lab as well with all the creative things what they have made.
Yes.
Yeah.
No, I was seeing that brochure of
Yes.
AI and
Yeah.
design. I think
Yes.
that's the future.
AI and design.
Sorry.
Sorry. So you can see here. So they have created this robot. So they have overall kept the history of how they have manufactured it. So it done by a student actually. It's a robot. So you can see the history
So
of
they are
that.
trying to create this
that
rover
hub.
for Mars.
Mars, yes.
And it's the college robotics team that has done it. And this is the robot guys out here. This is the robot that the team as the students have made, and kind of looking at the obstacle course. That's what CJ is standing on. This is the obstacle course that is planned by the robot to traverse. I think what I again love is students have made this robot look so interesting, so vibrant colors.
Again, the curtain yellow and red.
Made it with the curtain
colors.
Yes.
So again, they have kept the design, this thing, like how they have. This is the culinary club, I guess, Lebanese food and all. So they have kept all the posters here for design. So they'll be expanding more now.
I think this is what I'm saying about design, AI and design. This is what, if you guys are looking to study
than
design,
what you
then you need to be really on top of what's AI doing in this space.
So these are like small booths for students again, for the study spaces. And then this is our student service center. So they play a most important role for students' journey because of the enrollment process, of they want exchange program or they want any doubts related to their exams or schedule, they have to come here. Yeah.
And I see there are a lot of students.
That's why they play an important role.
But it is very good to see that the university is investing more
yeah,
into
because
improving the infrastructure and helping giving students more facilities, bigger labs,
yes.
more things to work on.
Because of the ranking, most of the students are focusing to join, like overall coming to Curtin University because our ranking is better than other universities here in Dubai. So we are like top 1% university. So this is 12th and 11th and we are going to 10th block.
When you're outside, it doesn't feel like that the university is that big.
Yeah.
But when you come inside, then you realize that how big the school is. You can just keep going around and around in the same building. We are just on the single floor right now. But how many students from India?
So basically we have a tagline that our campus is Desi. So they are like students only from because expats who are there in Dubai, they are also, most of them are Indians and Pakistanis.
Right.
So I would say that major chunk of the students are from India.
Right.
Yeah. And I would say that 60% are from India. Maybe 30% are from Pakistan and like other Asian countries, and 10% are the locals. Yeah.
This is the MBA in International.
Yeah, International Business. So in Masters, we have 4 programs, AI, Artificial Intelligence, Cybersecurity, International Business, and then Masters of Engineering Management.
And the business school is AACSB accredited?
Yeah, AACSB accredited. So all our programs, business programs are accredited with AACSB.
Right.
Yeah. And these are our rankings basically. Top 11th, ranked 11th in Australia, and then 164th QS ranking for now. In the world, like this is our QS ranking, 174th and 164th in the world. So these are the major rankings given by the QS. And then for
also
mechanical
ranked, like,
engineering,
quite
for
high.
top psychology, and the accreditations are at the down. So for the ACCA, we are accredited with the ACCA as well.
ACCA,
So
with
9
the
paper
CFA
exemptions.
Institute.
Yeah, CF, yes, and then AACSB.
and,
Yes,
and Engineers Australia, as you were talking about, and
Yes.
also CPA Australia
yes, CP Australia.
and PMI. So I mean, this is
So in that, if, for example, any of the students are doing BCom accounting and finance,
Right.
they'll get exemptions with
Exemptions with
ACCA.
all of these,
Yeah,
yes.
all of these.
wow.
And this is our.
One quick question from my side. So we hear about this golden visa.
Yeah.
So are Curtin University students eligible for golden visa?
Yes, they are eligible. So basically, recently, 3 of the students were eligible for the golden visa.
And is it a
they need
category A or a category B university?
No, category A.
So Curtin University
yeah,
is
category
category A.
Yes.
Wow. So if you're
they
scoring
need
more
to
than
score
3.5?
3.8.
3.8
3.8. So then they'll be eligible for the golden visa.
for the golden visa.
Yes, whether
And
they
you
are doing
had-
business courses or STEM program.
Absolutely.
So, yes. So STEM program will get the like overall much more like much good category, and the business programs will get the category B visa.
Category B visa.
Yes.
All right. Well, that's fantastic.
Because STEM programs usually they have the good category visas like mechanical engineering, IT, cyber security, or Masters of Engineering Management also.
We have all these trophies behind us. We're just looking at them.
So these are the trophies won by our students for football, basketball, and then cricket.
There's some organized by different
Volleyball,
universities
yes.
competition.
Yes. And this is a student life basically. I think so where like overall they plan for the students' activities. So this is our curtain life. So where the activities have like overall they plan for the activities, where to go or for the trips, for the sports, everything. So this is the journey from 1950 to 2030s. And this is our library. So it is connected with Perth campus. It's a basically e-library, and we
Alright.
have physical books as well.
So all the resources that are available in Australia are also
Yes,
available.
available here. So this is again the group study rooms, and we have our careers department over there. So basically, right now we have the average percentage of 96% placement rate. So for example, any of the student wants to go with internship or any of jobs after their bachelor's or master's, they can come here and like apply, or we have a separate careers portal for Curtin Dubai students where they can apply for the jobs. Like in topmost MNCs, even though in internship, we do provide on-campus internships and
Right.
also off-campus internships for bachelor's and MBA
masters,
students
MBA
as well.
students.
Yeah. And recently, one of our student got placed in Carrefour and as a like overall data analyst. And
Carrefour
now,
is like the largest retail.
no, Carrefour. Carrefour is the remote petrol.
The Carrefour, not
Carrefour.
Carrefour.
So then he is now like overall became a full-time employee over there. He joined as an intern and now he's full-time employee over there.
And I can see like internships
Yes.
and companies.
Yeah. So there are a lot of opportunities for students and good companies actually. Emirates, and then Rag Bank, everything. Then again, this is a
This is the career
careers club.
students.
Yeah.
Go to block 12.
Yeah, so that was block 12.
12.
This is 10, 11 and 12.
10, 11 and 12.
Yes. So this is a finance team. So basically where students have to pay the fees on time.
Yeah, on time is more important. Yes.
So otherwise they'll charge fines as well.
Yeah. And those are the 6 campuses of Curtin
Mauritius,
University.
Dubai, Singapore, Colombo, Malaysia and Perth. So there are few more classrooms backside of the library. Like the overall
Behind there are-
yes, two computer labs are there. Excuse me. Thank you.
Last week.
So there are like group studies.
It's a busy space for students. I mean,
Yes.
it's filled with students.
Filled
now.
with students.
That's the
So nearby places is to Dubai Silicon Oasis.
Dubai Silicon Oasis.
Yeah.
Is it a residential area?
Residential area. Yes.
So there are students who are living there as well.
They are living in studios, apartments, and then we have student accommodations as well.
Right.
So it's nearby to the uni. It's
Yeah.
just 10 minutes away from here, and they do provide free shuttle service as well.
So there's a university accommodation available
Yes,
here.
yeah, nearby to the uni. It's just 10 minutes.
Is it also available to the master students?
Yes, it is available. So basically, for master students, they can also stay in partitions, like where the student accommodation prices are much lesser than the original one. So basically, it's like 35,000. It starts from 35,000 INR, and it ranges until like 60,000-70,000 also. So for master students, basically they want to do their work and then
Right.
like also manage their like accommodation and
Right.
fees as well, the tuition fees. So that's why we give them the cheaper options. So we do have options from 35,000 also.
And that is like university managed accommodation.
Yes, university managed accommodation.
So I mean, of course, I think that's another big concern the students coming
Yes.
to academic city have, that where will we live?
Yes.
If we are living in the main Dubai, then how much time will it take for us to travel? Because if you're going to be working, guys, and the job is there in main Dubai, you might still want to live
Yes.
there and might want to travel here.
So we do give options from the 35,000 also, like
Yes.
cheapest
So you can live up pretty
options.
cheap here
Yeah.
in the academic city, and then of course go and live.
And
in
it's
the...
nearby to the uni also. It's just 10 minutes away from here.
So what is the best way of traveling from, let's say, we were coming from Union Station. From Union Station to here, what's the best way?
So, like if you're coming from Union, you need to catch a metro until Rashidia, which is Center
That's what
Point
we did,
Metro
yeah,
Station,
yeah.
and then from platform number 5, you need to catch a
The
bus
320. Yeah, that's what we did.
and then you can.
So that's the best way, right?
Yes.
We did the same. It took us almost an hour 15 minutes in total.
Total,
because
yeah,
we just
so that's-
just missed the bus.
That's the feasible and like option for students as well. So they'll get a student NOL card. For example, if you're paying 6,
Right.
so for them it's only 3
3
dirhams.
Yes. And I
So
paid
they
just
can-
3 dirhams for the bus.
They can get a student NOL card as well. Yeah. To access the metro and RTA.
and the bus. Yeah.
Yeah. So yeah, here it is, our
Awesome,
campus.
yeah. Back from where we started. Thank you so
Yes.
much for giving us the tour, and
Thank you so much for coming to our campus, and it was
no, that's the idea of
Yeah.
bringing candid conversations, reality on ground to our students, so they can make a very informed choice.
Yes.
It's no marketing, and pure knowledge,
Yeah.
pure awareness for the students. Because a lot of times students, when they don't know, and it comes to them as a bad surprise, they get anxious that they spend so much money. So guys, if you are looking to come to study in Dubai, do consider Curtin University, especially
and
mechanical
it's a top
engineering.
1% university.
Top 1% university, a lot of rankings. We saw that already, and we've shown you the campus. So if this is something that is fitting your idea, you might want to take a look at Curtin University and all the programs they offer, both at bachelor's and master's degree. And you might want to consider Curtin for your study plans. So if you enjoyed this really nice and amazing campus tour, so do subscribe to our channel, guys.
With Desi students.
With Desi students and a lot of hand-holding and support right here in Academic City in Dubai. So look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.
So if you like this content, please subscribe to our channel, and I will see you all in the next video.